Lenny's COVID-19 has inspired a whole new process for picking juries. Monday will be the first test of that new system. Presiding Mobile County Circuit Judge Michael Youngpeter tells me 450 Mobile County residents got notices to come in for jury service. That's about far more than typically would be called for one trial plus an 18-member grand jury. Court officials are drawing on a larger pool because of uncertainty over how the novel coronavirus pandemic might affect participation. Youngpeter says 174 have logged on to the new juror website run by the Alabama Administrative Office of Courts, and 57 have been excused. The judge says that the excuse rate is far higher than normal, but he added he couldn't say how many people cited COVID-19. He told me last week he anticipated that.
We're figuring that there will be a higher percentage of people that will, have to be excused for health reasons or other reasons.
New juror questions include, have you recently tested positive for COVID-19? Are you experiencing COVID-19 symptoms or otherwise sick? Have you been exposed to someone who's tested positive or has symptoms? Are you caring for someone who is positive or experiencing symptoms? And are you afraid to be in a room with a large number of people? Mobile County District Attorney Ashley Rich has expressed concern that the pandemic might make it harder to find jurors and to make sure those jurors represent a cross-section of the community.
If we can't get juries down here to serve on jury duty, the end result would be that judges will begin letting defendants out on bond because they are entitled to a jury trial and they are entitled to have a jury trial.
Judge Youngpeter is confident about Monday at least. He says he'll need about 45 people to get a jury for the criminal trial, plus another 18 for the grand jury. As to how it'll work in future weeks when the number of trials escalates, that remains to be seen. Reporting live for Fox 10 News, this is Brendan Kirby.